Precision dual cycle cleaning. Our dual cycle cleaning tablets take advantage of Jura's unique design to allow us to provide the ultimate cleaning experience. Your high-end machine deserves high-end cleaning, and you deserve high-end espresso whenever you want it. 3.5-gram tablets. Our cleaning tablets are specifically designed for all models of Jura espresso machines including the Capresso, Impressa series and more. Don't be fooled by 1-gram tablets that can't hold up to the cleaning cycle pressure and do not have the right amount of cleaning agent. Better tasting espresso. Regular use of cleaning tablets remove the oily buildup inside your machine, seal it to prevent future buildup, and keep its parts clean to keep your espresso tasting as good, fresh and pure as it did the day you bought your Jura machine. Best value for money. Our tablets are not descaling tablets. Our dual-cycle tablets are just as efficient, well-manufactured and effective as name-brand cleaning tablets. Don't pay 5 times more for the same product. 100% money-back guarantee. We offer a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee on all of our products. If you aren't satisfied, simply let us know and we'll be more than happy to refund your order. Top reviews from the United States. Long-term usage. Our Jura Micro 9 is 4 years old. Except for the cleaning tablets that came with the machine, I have been using this brand for about 1 cleaning per month during that time. The only time the machine has had problems was when I missed a couple of months of cleaning and then 2 or 3 cleaning cycles solved the issues, which was incomplete clean out and watery pucks. It is very difficult to justify the expense of the Jura brand tablets when these are doing the job with no premature wear on any components that I am aware of.